Hey guys, today's video, let's learn how you can add people to your WhatsApp group without saving their number. First of all, launch your WhatsApp application and tap onto the group where you would like to add someone. Now you will see a page like this once you are in the group itself. Select the name and once done, scroll below. In here, you will see members as well as invite via link or QR code. Tap onto it, you will see these various options. You can either share a QR bar, share the link via email, via SMS, copy the link, share it to their WhatsApp, and likewise for this, you don't have to actually save their number. For example, if you would like to proceed via this QR code, all you have to do is send this QR code to someone, even though you have not have their number saved. That won't be a problem. If they scan the QR code, they will automatically be landed onto a page where they will be required to join the group and they will be accepted once they tap onto the link that you have sent. That is how it's done, guys. Thank you for watching. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon.